friends. So this is Dhananjay. Today's concept is PHP strings. So previous concept we saw that functions in PHP, how the functions will work and how many ways we can able to create functions and like that. And now today we are going to see that PHP strings. First of all, we have to learn what is a string, and later based upon the different categories of strings, then we will go for that is functions in strings. Okay, let's see first one, that is string. Strings can be seen as a stream of characters, or also you can call it as collection of characters. We can call it as a string. For example, I am considering live phrase is a string. Okay, that is a string. Now if I am taking like L is nothing but a character. Okay, so like Waymo Institute of Technology, from there you can have like a string, entire it is a string. If I take like V, only V, that is a character, right? Like that, if you take an example for hello world is one string, entire sequence of characters which it has, we can also call as string. Okay, so that is used to store and manipulate. String is used to store and manipulate the text. Okay, and let's see another slide. So here PHP supports only 256 characters set, and so that it does not offer native Unicode support. Okay, and here there are four different ways for specify a string literal in PHP. One is single quoted, and another one is double quoted, third one is here doc syntax, and next one is fourth one is now doc syntax. So there are four different ways to specify a string literal in PHP. And remember that everything inside a quotations, like quotes, like a single quotation or a double quotation in a PHP, that is treated as a string. Okay, now let's see another slide. So first one, we'll see what are the different what is meant by a single quote string. Okay, this type of a strings does not process special characters inside quotations. And here we can create a string in PHP by enclosing the text in a single quote. Okay, so it is the easiest way to specify a string in PHP. So for specifying a literal single quotation, escape it with backslashes, and to specify a literal backslash, use double backslash. Okay, so now let's see on an example which displays hello text within a single quotation. Now I am executing first way, that is single quote string. I am opening Notepad++. So I have one editor which it can able to execute our PHP program. Now I am closing entire program there, like how to create variables, and I mean how to create strings and how to display string values in a entire single quotation. Okay, let's see first part, that is single quote string. I am taking opening PHP code, and then I am using like I am taking one variable str equal to single quotation. I am started hello text, that is within single quotation. Okay, within single quotation. Now I want to print string, so I am using echo statement, so $str. Okay, now save this program with a file name called single quotation, right, single q.php. Now here I am creating a new folder in a www, that is C drive wamp www. I am created day 12. Okay, day 12 folder I created and save. I saved the program successfully. Now I want to execute. To execute that, we have to start WAMP server. So then it displays a new there is a green color icon which it is running. So now I want to check whether the server is running or not. So by typing localhost, you will get the plugins configurations like that. This is that the server is running. Now type the program. What is the folder you created? Day 12, right? Day 12 slash, what is the file name? Single q.php. So that's it. Here you got a note, right? So simple, single q.php, which it has a single quotation for the string, so which it displays the value. Okay, so let's see another one, that is second one. So and one more thing, we can store multiple line of text and the special characters and escape sequences in a single quotation PHP string. So here you can use like if you want to display multiple line of text with it include special characters and escape sequences. So then how can I able to read? So let's see that one also. Now I am removing this entire thing, and here I am taking one variable str1 equal to directly I am placing in a single quotation hello text, and then I press enter, and now multiple line of statements which it is text within a single quotation, okay, single quoted string. So here I am using a single quotation, I am ending single quotation there, and I am putting semicolon. Now I am taking str2 equal to, that is using double quotation, okay, using double quotation. So here directly inside single quoted string, okay. Now I am taking another for escape sequences, I am taking another str3 equal to single quotation using escape, okay, escape sequences, that is /n in single quoted string, okay. Now there ends the program, and now I want to display, so I am using double quotation, and here str1 I am using br statement to line break, and now string 2 I created string 2, right? So for that I am using another br, and now finally I am using another string 3 just now I created. Now there ends the program. Now check the same program which it is there, okay. Now save this program and run the program which it has like okay. Now it displays, right? So hello text, okay, domain multiple line. So here I given like hello text multiple line, right? Multiple line, but why I given domain? Yeah, it's not there. Yes, now it will display, okay. Now it displays hello text multiple line text within a string quoted, a single quoted string, and using double, okay, like that which it displays in a single quoted string, okay. And let's see another example by having a variable part, okay. We'll see that also in the same example. So how to create a variable with a number value, how to display, and what happens if I use variable assignment, okay. Now let's see I am taking a num, the same program I am modifying the code, num1 equal to 10, and I am taking another variable string1 equal to trying variable dollar num1, okay, num1. Now simple thing, you have to use another one, right? So which it displays string 3. Let's try another one, str3 equal to using single quote, okay, using single quotation slash here my quotation and double slash backslash, right, slash, okay. Now here print echo in double quotation str1 dr, then str3, okay. Now let's see an execution part. Save this program, and here refresh that. You'll get trying variable $num1. Why it is displaying num1 here? So num1, so whatever num1 is, a value is integer value is 10, right? So 10, okay. And here for a 10 variable, whatever the variable you created, that is num1, right? In double quotation, if you give a value like 10, if you apply a $num1 in a double quotation, then definitely the value will be displayed. If you use single quotation, the value won't displace, variable value won't displace, okay. In a single quoted PHP string, most escape sequences and variables will not be interpreted, okay. But we can use single quotation through a slash and backslash, through double backslash, that is inside a single quotation, okay. So here escape sequences and variables will not be interpreted in single quotation, okay. So that we are not getting 10 as a variable value, okay. Let's see another one, double quoted, okay. Let's see second one, that is double quoted. In PHP, we can specify string through enclosing a text within double quotation also, okay. But escape sequences and variables will be interpreted by using double quotation PHP string. Here PHP variables and sequences will be interpreted in double quotation, where in single quotation it won't interpreted, okay. Now let's see one example. Here I'm saving this, and I'm creating a new one. I'm taking new notepad. So for this I'm closing PHP, and now I started to create one str, that is string equal to, in double quotation I am placing hello text within double quotation, okay, double quotation. Now enter echo, use echo statement, $str. Now save the program with double double quotation dot php, okay. Now let's see if it is working, or it will work or not, okay. So here in the place of single we have to place double, right? double. Now file is not found. So why double, right? So double. So but I am mistaken that double double quotation. Yes, hello text within double quotation. Yes. So this will be displayed here, okay. Now in the same way, we'll see another example which it display directly inside, okay. Let's see the code part, okay. So we'll take another one in another way, okay. Here I taken one string one. For this I am using another statement using double. Using here I can using double. Here in double quotation I am placing another double quotation inside this, and what I am doing is simply directly inside, okay, inside double quotation string, okay. Now I am closing this double quotation, and now I am writing my echo statement string str1. So it won't display the value, I think, okay. Let's see an execution part, okay. Yeah, it displays a parse error, okay. Why? Because here, so whatever the string that is quoted in a double quotation, it won't displace. So, okay. So by if you are using double quotation inside a string, if you are placing a string in a double quotation, then no need to set a double quotation for an extra word. It displays an error, okay. Now we'll see another example. We can store multiple line of text, special characters and escape sequences in a double quotation. How the double quotations will appear for this one, okay. Now let's see. I am taking new one, okay. Now I am closing this PHP. Now I am taking a str1 equal to, in double quotation I have to place, right, hello text, okay, multiple line text within double quoted string, Now I am taking str2 equal to double quotation using double quoted, okay, using double quoted. I am placing like this. And now with backslash inside double quoted string, okay. And now simply I am printing echo str1 br dollar str2, okay. I am using only str1 and str2, okay. Now I am saving this program with double sequence character. I mean, whatever you are doing, a simple multiple line of text, right? So I can take double multiple dot php, Now execute the program, double multiple dot php. Now here we can store multiple line of text and the special characters and escape sequences in double quoted php string, okay. So here you have, that is quotation mark like that. So if you want to place a double quotation for a word in a string, if you are applying a double quoted format, then you have to use backslash, okay, inside double quoted string, okay, backslash double quotation, then a string, then backslash double quotation. If you apply like that, definitely you will get the output like this, okay. So in previous that is not get right, this is displaying, it's not error, it's displaying error like this, okay. Here in quotation it is not possible. So if you apply like this, definitely it will work, okay. If you are applying like this one, slash backslash like that, okay, then that will work. So let's take another third method. I will take here doc, okay, here doc format. So just now we observed a code, right? Now here doc, okay. Here doc syntax, that is it is a third way to delimit strings. And in here doc syntax, an identifier is provided after this here doc operator, okay. If you have like a triple less than symbol, that is an operator of here doc operator. We can also call it here doc operator in PHP. And immediately a new line is started to write any text, okay. To close the quotation here, to close the quotation in a string, it follows itself, and then again that same identifier is provided. So that closing identifier must begin from a new line without any white space or tab. So consider, like I'll give one example which you can able to understand easily. So here I am using like baby underscore name. I am taking one variable equal to Shalom, okay, and I am taking another variable, that is my underscore variable, which it has triple less than symbol EOT nothing but here I am using end of delimiter, end of text, okay. I am using end of text here, that is a string delimiter, okay. So it is an acronym, that is EOT is nothing but acronym for, that is end of text, okay. Now here I am using like a triple less than symbol, nothing but which it is a string delimiter. From here to less than symbol operator to text, you can have like string delimiter. And then when I am using a string, now when I am calling a variable, baby name was a baby, she used to look like a boy, okay. Now I am printing my variable, now we will get a output. So here a multi-line strings with a variable interpolation and double quotation without escaping, okay. We are seeing now that is a simple one which it displays the output, like when a Shalom was a baby, she looks like like a boy. That is an output you will get. Okay, let's see an example part which is a valid syntax for this one. For a third one, that is here dog. I'm taking another notepad which it has I'm taking string now str equal to less than symbol, okay, demo. So there I placed now UOT, right, end of text. You can place whatever you want the name, but simple thing you have to remember that after a here doc operator you have to place the word that is a string, that is a demo. I am taking demo. You can place your name also, no problem. After that, in a new line you have to place a string, okay. It is a valid example. It is a valid example, okay. Now whenever you started with one type of word, that is a string delimiter, the same string delimiter you have to end that, okay, with the same name. So demo, okay, and then print that echo space $str, okay. Now close this, save the program. Here dog, right, here dog.php, here dog.php. Now run the program. What's the program name? That is here dog.php. Okay, you got an output, right? This is as a third way you can able to display your string. So here there is no such type of single quotation, double quotation like that. So here you can use like a valid code which it has a white spaces or a tab. It is not valid before closing an identifier, okay. So before you no need to add spaces for that. If you are adding a space, like it won't take. If it has a space, then it displays an error part. Where here, for example, if I am using space here, if I am using space, so I am using space. Now save the program. Here space is there, right? Now save this program and refresh this. You'll get an error, okay. That is parse error you will get, right? Parse error you will get, that is unexpected end. So why? Because at 6th line it is displaying one error, which it is that is error part nothing but why it is displaying an error, okay. So we cannot use any white space or a tab before and after the identifier and semicolon, okay, which means identifier must not be indented, okay, indented. The identifier must begin from a new line, okay. Now here whatever the thing is there, we cannot use any white space or tab before or after the identifier and semicolon, okay. So after the space here we have if you are giving a space, that is not valid. Here in before the delimiter, string delimiter, then there also it won't accept it, okay. So that is an error part. Now clear, right? And I'll go for another which one here doc is similar to a double coded string without double quotation, means that a quotation here doc is not required. So it can also print values, like, okay. So I'll write another program for a easy understanding purpose. I take another one, so which it has PHP, okay, which it has PHP. Now I am taking another variable, that is city, equal to, in single quotation I am using Delhi, okay. And now I am taking another variable, that is string str double equal to less than symbol, and I am placing demo, okay. Now I am placing a string like hello, okay. My name is Misty, and I live in the variable what I have created, that is city. Now demo, okay, and echo $string. Now execute the program by saving this. There is multiline, right? Here doc multiline, here doc Now execute the program here doc yum, right? Now yes, you got an output, right? We got an output that is hello, my name is Misty and I live in a city that is Delhi. Okay, here I created one variable which it is in a single quotation, and then I'm taking another variable which it is pass a value by using here doc. Okay, now if I call the same string same variable name here, then the value will be displayed and it will print it. Okay, so here that means the quotation here doc will not require, that is it can also print variable value also. Okay, now let's see last one, that is fourth one, now doc. Okay, just now we observed valid example which it displays a string delimiter like that, and invalid one which use the space, then it automatically it's not valid, it's not correct one. And here just now we observed an output which it has here doc is similar to double quotation string without any double quotation. Okay, now means quotation in a here doc are not required. Okay, now let's see now doc. Okay, it is similar to here doc. Okay, but a now doc parsing is not done. Okay, but whatever here in before in here doc it parsing will be done here, but it not in now doc the parsing is not done. Okay, it is also identified with the 3 less than symbols followed by an identifier. Okay, but here here identifier is enclosed in a single quotation. For example, I am taking like exp in a single quotation, and now doc follows the same rules as here docs. Okay, so the difference, what is the difference actually in here doc and now doc? The difference between now doc and here doc is that now doc is a single quoted string, and whereas here doc is a double quoted string. That is the difference. Okay, and now let's see an execution, that is a practical example part for now doc. Okay, I'm taking new notepad again. Okay, execution part. So PHP, and here the thing I am doing, I am creating a variable which it is called less than operator with it is single quotation EOT, that is end of text. Okay, now I am placing welcome to PHP. Okay, welcome to PHP. Now I am giving a space here, learn with now doc example, now doc example. Okay, now EOT, whatever you taken now, that is string delimiter, you have to end with EOT. Then echo, I am taking another one, that is echo dollar str, echo dollar str echo. Now place br, and again take another echo statement, so which it has EOT again. Okay, now here we are not storing string, we are not storing string content in a variable str. Okay, so now I am displaying welcome to PHP. Okay, now learn with now doc example. Now I am closing this. Okay, now save the program with, that is now doc, right? Now doc dot PHP. Now run the program. Now doc dot PHP. So means what? So here you'll get a second line, that is an error part, right? So whatever you have to end this, then only you'll get an output. So again it displays an error. So which it is displaying error like I'll end this one. I'll end this. It's not valid values. I'm using EOT, fine. Then learn OK. I'm using echo statement, that is also correct. And now everything is correct, then why it is displaying error? Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, here you no need to specify before itself. Now itself I given an example, like no need to give a space between before or after a string delimiter, right? So here I given a space, so it is not displaying an output, so it displays an output clearly now. Okay, so welcome to PHP. Up to here this is first part, and second I am placing a comment. So for this one, which it is in a string part, as a string it displays like that. Okay, now here what is mean by EOT, that is less than triple less than operator, that is a string delimiter. Okay, and we'll see another concept later. So this is